Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing this pink glitter cut crease makeup tutorial, like the only eye makeup. And dude, it's look a little difficult, but trust me, it's very easy. I hardly use more than 2-3 colors. And yeah, let's just start with the video without wasting any second. Okay, so before you start any of the eye makeup, just set your eyelids and everything using a concealer. So I'm using this by Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup, and it's good to conceal your eyes before you do eye makeup, because then your colors will pop up more brighter. So I'm just taking some concealer. This is very good concealer with such a good price. So just apply very tiny amount. I don't use a lot of concealer. So apply very tiny amount like this and blend it out. You can also use a blending brush or you can use any brush. So just take any blending brush and blend like this. After you apply and blend concealer, just take any fluffy brush and some compact powder, or you can take loose powder. I'm taking the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact, and just pat some of the compact to your eyelids to make your blending very easy, and also to set the concealer. So I have concealed my eyes properly, and now we're going to just go ahead with the eye makeup. So I have few palettes. This is the Tropical Carnival palette by Makeup Revolution. It has so colorful shades, and it has a beautiful pink shade right over in the middle, like this one. So this shade is very beautiful. And also I have more palettes in front of me just in case this doesn't work. So I have a palette by Pop Feel. This I got from Amazon, and so yeah, I have few palettes, and this has a beautiful pink color as well. So this come in a 3 layer. So I have like these two I have taken. So yeah, it also have some beautiful pink color shades. So I have a variety of pink color to choose from. So yeah, so decide which will gonna go first. So to start up with, I'm gonna be taking a very lightest pink color as a transition shade. I don't want to mix the pink color with any other color, so I just want a lighter pink color as my transition. So I'm just grabbing a fluffy brush like this, and I think I should take this color because it is very light and the dark color of pink available on my other palette. So yeah, I'm just taking this lighter color and start blending to my crease. And also don't forget to dust it off the extra product. We don't want any fallouts, right? So yeah, just take the color and apply and blend on the crease only. So as we have applied concealer and set the lid, so it's very easy to blend everything out. Okay, so now we will gonna take a darker pink color in the palette just like this, and apply with the more precise brush, like a very pointy blending brush, and we're just gonna map where you have to apply. So it right before your crease. So we want this area to be more dark because we have to cut a crease and we want our cut crease to be visible. So that's why this has to be a little darker than usual. And also you can use some red color to darken up the crease area, and red is very similar to pink, so you can use it. Just make sure to use very tiny amount. So I'm just taking this red color over here just next to the pink and just add very little amount to my crease to make it even more darker. So just adding the red only this area, and I'm not letting this red color to go above. After you're done applying the red color, you can just go back to the pink color and soften your crease area once again to make it look like it just blends together, and also it goes from red to pink and not just one single color. So now it is time to cut the crease, most exciting part. So just take some concealer on a very flat brush. Make sure your brush is very flat and very thin and precise. So like it totally depends on the brush that you're using, how the neater the cut crease would be. So just take brush and you just look very carefully. Just apply the concealer and cut the crease, and yeah, look where are you cutting the crease. Make sure to do this very carefully, otherwise it would get spoiled. Put the concealer there and just swipe it downwards. Okay, so now you're done cutting the crease. You can just take any glitter or shimmer or anything you just want to fill. So I'm just taking a chunky glitter right now. This is silver glitter and it's look pretty. So just take anything, and I'm just taking a flat brush, and this glitter looks so beautiful. And just dip it in some glitter and applied where I've put concealer, just like this. I just want to basically stick the glitter to my eyelids. Okay, so like if your glitter falls to your face, that's completely okay, because it's a loose glitter, like it will definitely gonna fall. So don't worry about that. Just make sure to press your glitter to your eyelids, just like this. Okay guys, so I'm done with my both of the eyes, and it's look pretty. And make sure to not apply any eyeliner or curl your lashes, because when you apply liner, this is loose glitter. Like when you apply liner, it can come off very easily. So just skip your liner and just avoid curling your lashes, because when you just hold the curler right over here, it also can remove your loose glitter. So just be it just like this. And what you're gonna do is apply some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline one. This is the Last Sensational. So yeah, just apply some mascara. And you know, these heavy eye makeup can tend to make your eyes look smaller, so just apply any nude or white kajal. White kajal doesn't suit me a lot, that's why I'm using a nude kajal. So this is by Color Icon. Yes guys, so I'll just go and do my entire makeup, and I'll be back just like this. After I've done the entire makeup, I just forgot something which is very important, क्योंकि मेकअप करने के बाद I thought कि कुछ अधूरा सा लग रहा है मेरी आंखों में, which is to apply the eyeshadow onto a lower lash line. So what you're gonna do is just take the previous pink color that I've applied on the crease. So just apply it your lower lash line and just complete the look. And yep, the look is completed. This could be good for me. Okay guys, so I hope you like and enjoy this eye makeup tutorial. Okay, so if you want more tutorials like this, just subscribe below, and yeah, give this video a big huge thumbs up, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.